Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. First of all, we are going to on this application in our mobiles, then you sign in as a user. Here I am going to sign in as a user. For example, step number one, if you can see on the top left of this screen, the step number one is about login as a user. Here I have an ID about the Kevin and the credentials. Of course, I can provide the credentials too. I'm just going to sign in this account to launch the initial workings. For example, step number two, I'm going to add my details. Okay, I'm not going to log in driver right now. I'm just going to add all these things and then I'll log into the driver. For example, the pickup location is Civic Center, Karachi, for example, my city, and the drop-off location is about I'm going to have my home disappear. Number 9, you can add according to your area and then search it like this. So it is 5 kilometers. Your address will be in miles, so you will have the answer in miles. For example, I'm having the long truck. It's about $270 without labor. You can add the labor from the downward keyboard, but you have the alphanumeric there. So +2 will be the pupil, and then I can proceed, for example, and this proceeding will be there. From step number 3, I'm going to, if I have images, so I can add some images over here too, but I'm going to pick up right now. For example, I'm just going to have this 5 kilometers, having these things. Okay, all the things are okay. 2 labor charges, that's cool. And pick up right now, that's cool. So step number 3 has been completed. Now we have to, we are searching for a driver. So what we are going to do is to add the other device, log in the other device as a driver, and having these things right together. So here I'm logging this account. I have an account like Morgan as a driver. I have an account. Password is again sad125125, and I'm going to log in this account. So here is what I have, that the request of K1 with the history of K1, pickup location, destination location is there. I'm just going to accept this call, and then I have all the details here. Driver has accepted the call is the message over there. Whenever the driver is pick up the commodities, please tap this one and the wording will be changed. Your commodities has been picked up by the driver. He's on the way to deliver, for example. And once he has completed the ride, step number 3, he or she can put the complete ride and give the feedback to client. For example, great client, for example, I'm just going to write it, and then 5-star, I must say. Okay, then submit, and what the user has to do is just to pay this money. For example, the bill should be reflect to the PayPal. It can directly be proceeded toward the PayPal. You can see the total bill, $270 is there, and the drivers is searching for another ride. It's just like that.